Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make lambs. Draw the face like a cloud and the eyes and the eyelashes. Now draw a big circle and the mouth and the ears and the bow and the flower and the hair and the cheeks and the body. Make sure you subscribe and channel and like. Color time. Make mountains and grass and sand. Draw the sand and some grass. Mountains. Let's draw the mouth. I'm in color. And color the cheeks, inside the ears, draw the nose light pink, and draw the bow purple, the grass green, the sun yellow. This is finished. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like.